Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis Car Customs, the one with the K's. Welcome back to the shop. Welcome aboard if you're new. Hope you'll stick around. No matter how tedious it gets sometimes, every now and then we punctuate it with moments of excitement. But thanks for hanging out with me today. This is the part where I normally tell you what I'm up to, but I don't really know what I'm going to do today. I'm going to let the wind blow me around and see where it blows me, I guess. Other than that, what else could I say? Let's get something done. I don't know what it'll be. Your guess is as good as mine. Well, as you saw in time lapse, the struggle was real to get those rubbers on these windows. I guess they don't want them to fall off. They fit super tight. You just got to keep pulling and stretching and pulling and stretching. But yeah, at least they're on there. There's one window tentatively put in. Tentatively, there's the word of the day. There's brackets that are supposed to go in on the inside here that hold the window out against the stainless, but the ones I had were rusty, so I'm going to have to make up my own little brackets for cinching the window up against the stainless. But That's at least lets us know our roof is in the right spot. I still need to score those tracks that go in here for the slider, for the sliding window to slide back and forth. I don't have those. Somebody said you could kind of use the ones out of doors. I mean, I think they're supposed to be stainless. They might be visible, so you might not want them to be ugly. But I'll have to do more research on that. But yeah, there's one window. So we're installing a little more gingerbread on there. Can't really finalize it yet till I do the slider channels and stuff like that. And on this other side, I've got to fix that piece that goes along the bottom. That's the one that's got what looks like a bullet hole in it. It's the one piece that's kind of screwy. So that's preventing me from putting this window in. I'm going to see if there's anything I can do with that piece. So I got most of that hole out of there, and I got it to where it fits the car. I guess I got to figure out just how far I want to go with that. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, is that something you'll notice? Probably. But, I don't know. Well, I can hammer on it some more. Like I said, at least it's not a hole anymore, but I see you, buddy. But I can hammer on it some more and maybe make something out of it. There, so this window is like temporarily fitted in there. that was the best I could do on that repair. Hopefully in the grand scheme of things it won't be something that draws your eye when you got so many other pretty things to look at. But I got to make up some pieces, because you can see a little gap there because I don't have the pieces that hold the window out, because they rotted away. So I got to make up some pieces to screw in there that hold the window out. And of course I got to get some sealant and kind of go around sealing things up. But yeah, that gives you sort of an idea of the windows with a little bit of bling. I'll bring you back. So that's what I got for you tonight, everybody. Slowly bling is finding its way out of the stack and onto the car. Little by little it's starting to shape up. Obviously we got a long way to go, but I got a screwdriver in my pocket. But hopefully, sometimes I feel like I'm shortchanging you on episodes. Like, I work a long time, but it doesn't seem like I get a lot done because, you know, whatever the thing I'm doing is so tedious and involves so much stuff that, you know, I'll spend hours and just make this little tiny game. And I don't know, I don't want to bore you, you know, with like little tiny videos. That's partly why I haven't been putting them up every day, because if I put them up every day, they'd be 5-minute videos and they wouldn't hardly show anything. I've been dubbing around on this for a couple of days actually. But yeah, if you'd rather have more content and less frequent videos, I mean, you know, let me know in the comments. You know, I'm here to please. So with that, I'll let you go surf the net, find something else interesting. Don't forget to visit my buddies. I'll call somebody out probably in the next episode, and hopefully everybody will show them some love, and all us little channels are going to band together and break the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. See you on the next one.